the Prophet ﷺ also used to say upon seeing such winds, a longer version of the dua.
اللهم إني أسألك خيرها وخير ما فيها وخير ما أرسلت به وأعوذ بك من شرها وشر ما فيها وشر ما أرسلت به.
O Allah, I ask you for its goodness and the good within it, because the wind has many benefits, pollinating the plants and the flowers and carrying lots of goodness with the wind that we cannot live without, for ships to sail, etc. So I ask you for its goodness, the good within it, and the good it was sent with. And I take refuge with you from its evil, the evil within it, and from the evil it was sent with, because Allah may have sent it to destroy lands, or to claim lives, or for any reason that Allah sees fit for, according to His wisdom and knowledge. So I seek refuge in Allah. And all of this shows you how a Muslim is related to the environment.